Oh, gimbals, drones.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
I got this one. I was going to get one of those, but they're a bit too expensive, but this one was offering at the time, but I wish I got one of those. It's a bit easier to plug a microphone into. Definitely more easier than one of these.
Yeah. So we have this magnetic thing,
I know, yeah. Easy.
Yes, easy.
Maybe when this one breaks, I'll get one. But yeah, they're nice. Thank you. What have we got over there? Really famous. Have you heard of Lexa? Have you heard of Lexa?
Yes.
Good. And that's what I got in my other camera. Found that one. That's what's in here now.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Back to DJI. Oh, look at that gimbal. How many sensors are on there? Wow. How big the controller is?
Fold?
Yeah, they kind of do, yeah. Well, that one, but you pull it out and the take the arms off when they fold in, so it's locked. That's a big camera on there, isn't it?
Very expensive too.
Yeah. See that pod over there?
Yeah.
That opens up and a drone can go over it.
Okay.
New DJI power. Yeah, power bank. Ah, here we go.
The transmission is basically so the combo because like this is this one, the cost is the same, but it's like the screen monitoring with the if you don't want out, yeah, it's out. This was for this.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, that beats all drones.
Wow.
Used for what it was built for.
Oh, crop spraying. That's what it's for.
A what?
Crop spraying.
Frog spray.
Crop.
Oh.
Frog, yeah.
Where did you say that?
Oh, look at the hopper underneath it.
Oh. Yeah, it's a big one though, isn't it?
Just a tad. Oh, look, that'd be the one they might be using for deliveries. It's got the case underneath there.
Yeah, you just eat deliveries.
Yeah. Oh, I did it now. Somebody, yours
I know.
one.
You've been good at that. Don't worry, you don't want that. Disney now, don't they?
I think if you might touch that, it might come to life. No, okay. That was on though.
Yeah, that's because the battery is low.
Oh, right, fair enough.
Yeah, but this one is working.
Oh, cool. Without to fly around? Joking.
No.
Joking.
Oh, you were joking, but it happened last year.
Oh, really?
By accident.
Oh, no.
Yes, it was
Took off.
not fun. Yes, somebody
God.
managed to do it.
Oh, no.
And so this year we all have the drones like in demo mode.
Right, yeah.
So they
Safest
can't-
way.
Yes. But not anymore with the new.
No.
Because you don't need a controller or anything
right.
to start it. So
Oh, okay.
today I had like the case that I heard a voice and I was like, this voice is not supposed to be here. And I looked over and the drone was flying and I was like,
no.
and I was like, yeah, please don't do that.
No.
But
Ties them down. Oh, right.
because everybody wants to take the hand because it's brand new. We just
Right, so what's next?
So we go from now, here?
Yeah. Kodak.
What are these voice recordings? Pictures. That was on. No, dying.
How much do you reckon that would be?
I don't know.
Still?
Hello.
Right, what next?
Let's go down this way.